It's done. There you go. IROC-SS. Watch how I did it. Those of you who know the channel know this was coming, and I was showing a previous videos that I had. Now we're going for the IROC. I've had an IROC in my past, and that's what I'm trying to replicate, a bit of my history, but I wanted something a little unique and a bit of a flavor from past the Hot Wheels I had that I just got. So I need some blue in the car. So as you can see, I started with some vinyl, and I didn't videotape that part of it because I had to see if I could really do a good job or not. The only history I've got with that is from that pink one back there. That's when we first tried it. And that was in some of the end bits of the videos, if you remember and been watching for a while. So, I figured out I can do it. Let's go for it. So, the car's still got some things missing. Front splitter's missing. Rear spoiler, or blade spoiler. So, both those still have to be added, but we can get going with the rest of it. Alright, so first we got pre-wrap cleaner off the surface. Then I'm going to figure out where I want these slash marks. That's what we're going to do next, is right here, these hash marks. Figure out where they want to go and start putting down my lines. Got the first set of knifeless tape down. We got some green tape just for reference, and on this green knifeless tape you can see there's a wire in there. You pull that out after you put their first, well, I'm putting my black down, and it cuts it. Copper's got a bone somewhere. Alright, there you go. Got it done. That's the black one. Now the blue one. I don't know. Maybe I'll try time lapse on the blue one. There you go, we got that one done. I think it turned out pretty good. How's it look from this side? Oh, wind. I didn't put anything on yet. Cool. That's what I was looking for. Alright. A few more to go. That's that side done. It's coming along. Still got a few bits and pieces to do though. Quite a bit actually left to do. We got the back done. Alright, next up is this bottom detail we got to do down here, but I don't want to do it sitting on the floor. I want it up on the lift, so we got to do a car swap here so I can do it about this level. Got all that. Well, there you go. There's one side. One more to go. That side's done now. Nose blacked out. SS badging in blue. And added some highlights in there. Alright, as you can see, she's back on the lift because I got a splitter. So we're going to put that on next, and then there's a little bit of trim pieces of blue to add to the splitter. I feel ashamed though. It's raining, and I had to get it wet. I dried it off though, so it's all better. Alright, it's in there good. It's got like 10 bolts underneath that you put in to the factory holes, and 4 rivets. Probably saw me with a rivet gun and drilling out some holes here for the front, but going this way to keep it. So that's all done. It's in there good. I like it. I like it a lot. Now we got the blue trim. You gotta do some blue up in here, and then out on the wings of the splitter. Alright, did a highlight there. Added the blue highlights. Happy with them. Well, it's all done. You can't figure it out. There's one last thing I did that I didn't take. There it is, the IROC-SS. Alright, I know this hasn't got much to do with the Lamborghini Countach, but it sits next to it. See ya.
A group of them.
Breaching the perimeter. Oh, he's going. He's a swimmer. Sort of. Behind the gray part, there is a squirrel. He's not exactly sure. There it is. I know. Jeez. Yeah, gotta watch you don't step on him.